Here comes Kevin Coleman. Let's see Kevin coming right underneath him. All right, woohoo! There's Kevin. What we gotta do right now is I'm way out here over the water. Push in so that I can drift back into the wind. Alright everybody, you're gonna help count me down. Here we go. Get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See ya. Woo! Hello, Fort Lauderdale. Alright, we got a good parachute. That's the first part. I just did this. I just a stage push. Big and slow and still go up and fast. Save your life. I'm going to circle around while the helicopter climbs up and drop the deck people.